What's up guys, today's video is about the top best bread proofing baskets of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use for more information on the products? Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Bread Boss's Proofing Basket. Among the best proofing baskets that you can get on Amazon is this product from Bread Bosses. It's an appropriate tool that should whip you up perfectly round loaves, as described by its more than 5,000 rave reviews. This round proofing basket is 9 inches in diameter and 3 inches deep, letting it accommodate 1.5 pounds of dough at a time. Made with natural rattan cane material, this proves to be an effective tool for making a crispy round crust. Why? It has natural properties that make it easier to remove the dough. Furthermore, this Brotform also has lovely spiral ring patterns on it for French artisan-like results. Impressively, this particular product can accommodate recipes that use flour, salt, yeast, and water. Plus, it's also capable of proving overnight. Just make sure to enclose it tightly with a cover bag. This affordable proofing basket is certified German food safe as well, so you can rest assured that you will be making healthy artisan bread every time. Pros: natural rattan cane material. German food safe approved. Affordable. Cons: gives an off smell. Number 2. TNELTUEB Bread Proofing Basket Set. Our first option for you gives you the best of both worlds. We love this because it's a complete set that includes a round basket and an oval basket, giving you plenty of versatility for any needs. This set also comes with a bread lame, several tools, and linens to cover the baskets as well. The baskets are Banneton, natural rattan materials that are sturdy and well made. These are some of the most popular materials. The bowls are handcrafted and so easy to use. They won't mold or splinter and they will hold your bread without falling apart. The round basket can hold up to 2 pounds of dough. The baskets are also easy to clean up when you're done with very simple instructions for care. Pros: set of 2 that includes round and oval baskets. Natural materials that are high quality. Easy to clean up when you're finished. Simple to use. Kit comes with other tools and accessories as well. Cons: the accessory tools are not the best, but the baskets are pretty great. The liner may need some working and stretching before use. Number 3. Wertioo Proofing Basket. This is another interesting kit that I wanted to review as one of the best proofing baskets. The kit consists of bread proofing basket, bread lame, dough scraper, linen liner, cloth. Also, given all these components, the price is quite good. Another interesting thing is that we can choose from 2 sizes for the round bread baskets, 9 inch and 10 inch. We can also choose between 2 sizes for the oval Bannetons, 10 inch and 13.8 inch. The 13.8 inches oval is the most interesting. It's harder to find, but it's awesome for baking long loaves of bread. They'll look beautiful. If you don't have a loaf pan but you have a baking stone for bread, use this 13.8 inches oval Banneton to shape the dough and then bake it on the stone. Number 4. Sugus House Round Bread Banneton. This is yet another example of a good Banneton that is sold for a very good price. We get to choose from 2 sizes, 9 inch and 10 inch. The 9 inch will be good 1.5 pounds dough, while the 10 inch works for 2 pounds dough. If you make 3 pounds dough for a larger family, then you need to check out the 11 inch Freeling USA. That one is good enough when it comes to big sizes. This Sugus House has no kit. We only get the basket and the liner. However, we are informed that it's handmade of high-quality natural durable rattan that is also eco-friendly. Still, this is my least favorite of all of my recommendations for the best proofing baskets. It has some serious negative reviews that you should check out before buying it. Basically, I only included it among my reviews because I saw that there are others who recommend it as the absolute best Banneton. I disagree and I want you to make an informed decision. Even if these products are not that expensive, those are still your money and time spent shopping. Number 5. Criss Elite Bread Banneton Proofing Basket. We all want a baking tool that's easy to clean after a long day of baking, right? Surely, this round Banneton basket will alleviate all your post-baking woes. With this product, removing and releasing the dough and residues won't be much of an issue. This set includes 2 9-inch Bannetons, with both having a 1.5 pound capacity. These proofing baskets can also be used if you're making bread recipes with flour, salt, and yeast. Plus, you can proof bread overnight in the fridge using these bowls. Just make sure to cover them tightly. Aside from the baskets, you will also get a liner cloth, a bread lame, and a scraper when you go for this product. Like most of the options on the list, this one's also constructed with rattan cane materials. So, it's absolutely dye and chemical free. Pros. Includes 2 bantons. Comes with a liner cloth, a bread lame, and a scraper. Made with rattan cane materials. Cons. Might damage easily if not used with caution. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.